Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Skill Up Tutorials one lesson at a time. In today's video, I am going to explain about main method in Java. As we all know that to start the execution of any code, we need to use this main method. And if you write any number of classes in a program, but you need to write only main method one time. And this is the power of the main method. Without this, you cannot execute even single line of the code. And now let's see what are the words used here. This is public is access specifier and static and void are keywords and main is the name of the class. And now let's see what is meant by public. Access, it is the access specifier. Then firstly, what is meant by access specifier means access specifier will be used to tell the program where it should be accessible. Like this is the public, that means it can be accessible to anywhere. And we have private and also protected and default. Public, we know that it can be accessible anywhere. And private means if we declare any method or member by using private keyword, then we can say that this can be accessible in this class only. We cannot access out of the class. And what is meant by protected? Protected is also similar like private, but the main difference is in protected, the subclasses also be accessible. Subclasses means if they are inherited from parent class, they also be accessible. And what is meant by default? If we don't write any keyword before any member or method, it comes under default. Default is like within the package, it can be accessible. And then what is meant by static? Static is a keyword which can be used like without creating the object. Without creating the object, we can call the method. So this is a main method, right? So no one calls this method. To like run the main method, we use this static so that no one can run this. And the compiler will search for the main method. And void, we all know that it don't return any values because this is the main method. So we don't need to return anything. And what is meant by main? Main is like name of this method. As this is the main method, we are mentioning it as main. Here you may get one doubt like, can I mention any name? No, you cannot. Because the compiler will search for the name main only. If you write any other name other than this main, then the code will not be executed and you also get an error also. And what is this string arguments? This is the array of strings. And you can specify these brackets here also. And the string arguments will be placed in command line prompt. So that is why we are using here. And all the execution of the any program will be started from main method. And this is the end of the video. If you have any queries, please comment below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.